Today, I have 61 reasons for you to fall in love with this home on 61st, but I'm only going to give you the top 3. Number 3, 4 bedrooms with an isolated master. Number 2, 2 living areas and 2 dining areas. And the number 1 reason for you to fall in love with this home is its awesome open floor plan. Take a look.
Awesome, well-maintained home located on a cul-de-sac in Foxridge, featuring approximately 2,003 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 2 baths. The large living area has a fireplace and is open to the breakfast area and kitchen that is bright and spacious with lots of cabinet space. This is a great floor plan with an isolated owner's suite with jetted tub and separate shower. This home is also equipped with a second living area and formal dining. The wonderful back patio is great for grilling.
Remember, this fantastic Foxridge beauty can be your forever home for your family. It could be fun for your friends. Feel free to call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.